Hey guys, this video is on 2x2 third step, and make sure you know how to solve the first step and the second step before moving on to this video. So after you finish the second step, which is also matching up patterns, then you should be able to have 4 matched up patterns, like in this example. And what you want to do now is to rotate the cube 180 degrees, like this, so that the white face is facing upwards. And now, you want to search for solved pieces. And what I mean by solved pieces is basically blocks which have yellow stickers facing the bottom. So in this example, we only have one, and it is this one. Because if we place the cube like this, then there's only one yellow sticker facing the bottom, which means this block is a solved piece. And what we do now is we randomly start up with the unsolved piece. So these 3 are all unsolved because their yellow stickers are not facing the bottom. So we pick an unsolved piece, and in this case, I'll go with this one first. And we just repeat the formula I taught in the first step. So up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, until the yellow sticker is facing the bottom. And then you want to move on to the next unsolved piece, but you can't just do a whole cube rotation because it will just mess up the formula or the order. Instead, you have to turn the bottom layer. So you hold on the top layer with either hand and you rotate the bottom layer like this. So that this block is at the so the unsolved block is at the right bottom corner. So you just repeat the formula once again. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, until this one is at the correct spot. And lastly, we have this one is unsolved, so we rotate the cube like this, so that the unsolved piece is at the bottom right corner, and we just do the formula once again. Until this one is at the bottom, and you will notice that your cube is solved. And if we look at another example, so in this case, we also have 4 matched up patterns. And as I mentioned before, you have to rotate the cube 180 degrees, and you search for solved pieces. So in this example, I have 2, because there are only 2 yellow stickers facing the bottom if I face the cube like this. And what we do next is we just randomly pick an unsolved piece. So in this case, I'll go with this one, the yellow, red, green, and just repeat the formula until the orientation is correct. So like this, as you can see, the yellow sticker is facing the bottom, and that's how you determine if an unsolved piece is solved or not. And the next thing you do is to hold the top layer and rotate the bottom layer so that the unsolved piece is at the bottom right corner. And you just repeat the formula a few times until the yellow sticker is facing the bottom. And you will notice that the cube is solved again. Lastly, we have this example. So we also have 4 successfully matched up patterns, and which means we have to rotate the cube 180 degrees so that the white face is facing the facing the top, and we look for solved pieces. And in this case, we have no solved pieces because all the yellow stickers are not facing the bottom, which means in this case, we also just randomly start up with the block. So I'll just go with this one, the yellow, red, green, and do the formula until the yellow sticker is facing the bottom, and I move on to the next one. And I can tell that this one is unsolved because this sticker is red, red, not yellow. So I repeat until this one is solved, and I rotate, and I do it again. And this one is solved, and I do it again for the last time. And as you can see, the cube is solved. In some of the cases, after people have finished the third step, they'll find their cube unsolved. And that's all because it's either the first step is not done correctly or the second step is not done correctly. So in this case, I only have 1 matched up patterns, but some people just, somehow automatically skips the second step and move on to the last step. So in this case, we have 2 solved two unsolved, so I'll start with the unsolved one. So this one is solved, and this one is also solved. But you'll notice that their orientations are not correct, and that's all because the second stage is wrong. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you find this tutorial useful, then please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.